Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have sticky notes available, Windows 10 or 11. Open Start, type sticky notes and press Enter. That launches the app immediately. If you want cross-device access, sign into your Microsoft account now. This syncs notes to OneDrive. Once done, click the plus button to create your first note. This is the fastest way to begin. Make sure to pin sticky notes to the taskbar for quick future access, because speed matters for short reminders. You create multiple notes with Ctrl+N. That keyboard shortcut keeps your workflow fluid. Once notes exist, drag each one to an intuitive place on the desktop, group related tasks together, and resize using corner handles to fit content. Use right-click to change colors for visual priority or select formatting tools for bold and bullet lists. This helps you scan quickly. As you work, name and color code notes by project to reduce clutter. This organization, you finish by ensuring your notes are safe. Check settings to confirm the Microsoft account is signed in so sticky notes syncs to the cloud. Once synced, export important content to OneNote or copy-paste into a document for an extra backup. That prevents loss. If notes vanish or fail to open, first restart the app. Next, reset sticky notes via Settings apps. This often fixes corruption. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in, which forces a fresh sync and usually resolves lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.